Hey, what's up, good people? How you doing? Welcome back to Stock Up with Larry Jones. Listen, this video right here will be one of the most informative videos if you're thinking about buying or holding crypto, and especially if you have crypto, right? So we're gonna cover a lot. I'm gonna chop this one up, but this will be full of gems. Okay, so firstly, I want you guys to know that this is sponsored by Stock Up You. It will be a top link below. We'll talk about that later. Use coupon code LEARN, LEARN, and this sale will end Monday night. Okay, all right, let's get right into it. Crypto hit, Bitcoin hit above 100K. That psychological level of resistance has now become support. Whether you're watching this and Bitcoin has lowered beneath 99 or it has pushed above 104, it doesn't matter. This video you're going to want to watch. Now, first, we need to know, why did Bitcoin all of a sudden surge? And here's why.
You know, one of the reasons I wanted to actually ask you about Bitcoin is, to some degree, people think that that is a symbol of people's faith or lack of faith in either the U.S. dollar or in the Federal Reserve itself, in terms of the system. What do you think of that idea?
I don't think that's how people think about it. I mean, it's so, you know, people use Bitcoin as a speculative asset, right? It's like gold. It's just like gold, only it's virtual. It's digital. People are not using it as a form of payment or as a store of value. It's highly volatile. It's not a competitor for the dollar. It's really a competitor for gold. You know, that's really how I think of it.
That's exactly what we've been saying for years, and this was the first time Fed Chair Powell actually said it. As a matter of fact, for those of you that's been following me since 2020, I used to call it BitGold. Remember? I kept saying BitGold. I couldn't even say Bitcoin because that's what it was, digital currency. And for those of you that say, yeah, but I don't see how you could spend it. I don't see, how can you pay your bills with it? Well, when was the last time you saw somebody come to the store with a block of gold, right? And so it's whether you see it a store of value or not, it's worth something, just like art. Just like someone could pay millions of dollars for a banana and a piece of tape stuck on the wall. It's what you and I say it's worth. Now, here's something else that happened.
President-elect Donald Trump has tapped Paul Atkins, a cryptocurrency advocate, to lead the Securities and Exchange Commission as its next chairman. That move comes after the November election saw a number of pro-crypto candidates, including Trump himself, win their races.
Now look at this. In 2017, Atkins joined the Token Alliance, a crypto advocacy organization. In 2017. So he has not just become a crypto advocate, he's been an advocate longer than most of you guys listening has actually owned Bitcoin. And so look at this. Trump himself has launched a World Liberty Financial, this is his own crypto group, a new venture with family members to trade cryptocurrencies. And remember, I told you about the guy that paid millions of dollars. It was either $3 or $5 million for that poster or that art with the banana and the tape. Well, he invested $30 million in that fund. And so this is what's happening, and that's why Bitcoin actually surged above 100K. Now, could it cool off? Absolutely. It could cool off by the time you see this, because you had two positive news stories both hit at once. But he has yet to take office. And there is a lot more that I want you guys to know. Now that we're seeing this now and everything is turning around, I want you guys to look at this, right? So look at this. This came in a moo alert, okay? Look at this. Bitcoin may surpass 200K by 2025. As you can see right here, with Donald Trump assuming the presidency, you see all of this, blah, 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 blah. Look at this. Standard Chartered Analysis projected Bitcoin could reach 125,000 by spring 2025, and then possibly surging to 200K by end of the year, okay? And so, does that mean it's going to happen? No. Now, everything is going to start pushing bullish, 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 bullish. And I'm going to answer a question as I maneuver around. And I don't want you guys to take offense, the one that made this comment, because I'm going to help you, okay? Now, this comment just came up. Do I still have a chance if I put in 20K this month? And remember, I told you guys that now I want you to know I am not talking about you who made this comment. All right. I want to help you. OK, so but what I'm going to say, and I thank you for your comment because it's going to help a lot of people. Big money is about to chase now. The bigger money is about to chase now. Someone actually someone left a comment and they said, hey, I got 200K. Where could I put it? And so just like I was telling you guys about this wealth transfer, the bigger retail money is not even in yet, but it's coming and it's going to push Bitcoin and all your crypto higher. So the person that has this, I would not put it all in at once. I would simply dollar cost average. You may put a chunk in. Remember, anything I say is not a suggestion for you to buy, hold, or sell, but it makes it more difficult when you come at the top. And so you are late, sir or ma'am, because I want to tell you this. I have to show this lesson. Now listen to this. You see here on my page, I have two that are almost the same. I will be a crypto millionaire. All right. This was just a few weeks ago. All right. I will be a crypto millionaire about a month ago. About 2 years ago, I will be a crypto millionaire. You see that? I will be a crypto millionaire. I will be a crypto millionaire. This one you could watch. I just posted it about a month ago. But let's go into this one and you're going to hear something. And I believe that it will be worth millions down the road. Okay. And so I'm accumulating. Not only am I, some crypto I'm buying weekly, some I'm actually buying daily. So you guys heard that. Some I'm buying weekly, some I'm buying daily. The thing is to buy low and to sell high. So the person that left this comment, I'm suggesting to you that if you believe the report that I showed you, that it's going to 200,000, right? One Bitcoin to 200,000, then yes, you can. All you need to exercise is patience. Now, Larry, would you be doing that right now? No, I would not. I would be diversifying. I would not just buy Bitcoin because we're going into altcoin season and there's going to be more coins. There's going to be other coins that's going to make you more money in the short period. Though for me personally, all things lead to Bitcoin. I have hundreds of thousands of dollars worth of memes, hundreds of thousands worth of alts and Bitcoin. And it's all leading to Bitcoin for me. But just like I said, and I've been preaching to everyone when it was low. So you're going to see a lot of people come on and they're going to start just telling you to buy. And you're going to see Bitcoin of 500,000 by 2025, which is not going to happen. OK, and then people are going to chase in. Hopefully that answered your question. We appreciate your question because you're helping a lot of people. Now, let's talk about what people are hearing around the world.
The naysayers around the crypto space, around Bitcoin, well, they have been firmly sidelined. This is historic for the crypto space. What undoes the story for Bitcoin at this point?
Bitcoin has passed the $100,000 mark for the first time.
Exactly. I would imagine many cryptocurrency investors are rejoicing right now because they say that it has broken that psychological barrier, $100,000 mark.
Florida man was looking to buy some pizza, specifically 2 large pizzas. So he went on a Bitcoin talk forum and made an offer. 10,000 Bitcoins in exchange for 2 pizzas. A British man took him up on the offer. He delivered the 2 pizzas and he got 10,000 Bitcoins in return. At that point, it did not seem like a lot of money. 10,000 Bitcoins were worth only $41. So it was a fair deal. But today, it would have been a couple of multi-billion-dollar pizzas. Because look at Bitcoin, it has topped $100,000.
So far, what are our takeaways? Number one, We have the old SEC calling Bitcoin what it actually is, which he did not do in the past. And it was actually a bullish signal for crypto. We have president-elect that is electing his cabinet members, and he's going to put Paul Atkins, he's going to elect Paul Atkins, appoint, should I say, which is a crypto maximalist, a crypto bull, all right? Actually on the board since 2017, which was also bullish for all of crypto, including led by Bitcoin, okay? Third point, never buy pizza with Bitcoin, all right? So that guy left billions of dollars for pizza. I hope he enjoyed it. All right, so let's look at this right quick because I don't want you guys to make a mistake. Here's another reason why I'm making this video. I don't want you guys to make the mistake of selling your altcoins now. Even the ones that actually last night as Bitcoin went up, they received and went the other way, and you think that it's over. Well, I think it's not. I said I think it's not, and I put my money where my mouth is. Now, at the time of recording this, you can see Bitcoin at 101, right? We can also see, let's go by 24 hours, not the week, okay? But the last 24 hours, specific to XRP right here. You can see for the week, XRP is still up 63%. But as Bitcoin was surging last night, XRP was retrieving, all right, and going the other way. All right, let's say the other way because somebody corrected me. I did that wrong. But as you could see, last night, these were not moving and now they are moving upwards. OK, we can see that Dogecoin has turned around, which is a meme. Then we got an L1 like Cardano is actually going forward. All right. And so these have time. Solana is moving forward. OK, and these are by market cap. And you say, Larry, what about this one? What about that one? Well, you plug it in and then you could see. Now, let's just go to some of the memes right now and look at them. And you will see how money is going to be made and how new millionaires will be made. Okay, so let's go to the 24-hour. Dogecoin is just waking up. We need to see if Bitcoin holds above 100, right? And we also see what? Shiba-inue running up, PEPE running up, WIF that's been asleep for a minute running up, and our baby bunk, all right? 5% running up, even Floki, okay? And I know you guys have been seeing coins like Jasmine that were waking up before Bitcoin even hit 100, all right? And so what I'm going to caution you is to exercise caution and not sell, especially your altcoins, because altcoin season is literally just at the brink of getting started. Now, anything again, I say is not a suggestion for you to buy, hold, or sell. You got to do your own research, but I would always study before I react. Research before you react. I have a lot of money in crypto and I'm not selling right now. And I have played this perfectly because after I made life-changing money in 2020 and 2021 off of crypto, I understand it now. All right. And I've become one of the leading voices in all of us that's saying it's here to stay. And I have helped a lot of you. And so I'm going to ask you to share me with your family and your friends, because this time we need them to partake, because this time is different. It is here to stay and laws will underwrite it this time. OK, and so please continue to share me with all of your friends and family. And I will tell you guys that I'm going to come on here daily like I do and tell you guys the truth, whether you want to hear it or not. Meaning, if I think things are topping out, I'm going to tell you that these meme coins are going to tank in crypto winter, which will start in 2025. So yes, we have a lot of money to make as we go up into 2025. You see, it could hit 200K Bitcoin. So for those of you that don't know, If Bitcoin moves 1%, let's say Bitcoin moves up another 10%, then the altcoins could move up another 30 to 40%. Meme coins could absolutely go insane, and there will be a new crop of millionaires. But some of those millionaires are going to do like the Dogecoin millionaire did and hold and just have it in meme coins and not Bitcoin, which will be a huge, huge mistake. So I want you to be wealthy. That's why I brought this. Now, for those of you that have the class, there will be a new lesson as we look into alt season and meme season and how to really maximize it. I will be uploading that one tonight. So by tomorrow morning, it should be added, and you're going to see a new chapter in the crypto segment called Crypto 2025. Okay. And so for those of you that's taking the class, you should kill it. You should make enough money to get out of debt. Some of you have already made money to pay off your cars. One of you said you paid off your house. One of you guys, the one that emailed me that made the 500K, you better be debt free. All right. So I'm going to leave it right there. Good people. Make sure you check out the coupon code, and that is LEARN, LEARN. And I will be adding yet even more to the crypto portion of Stock Up You. One-time payment. This is the biggest sale. It will never be this cheap. It's going up next year. The sale ends Monday. Don't procrastinate. Invest in yourself first. And you can buy now and pay later by using PayPal, Klarna, Afterpay, or Affirm. Okay? And if you're older and this is too complicated for you, gift it to your niece, your nephew, your kids, or whatever. And if you have already downloaded, please just get someone young to show you how to use, the brokers, to like Coinbase and stuff like that, which I teach you in the class, right? We want you guys to absolutely prosper. There is enough money for all of us to do well. All right. So I'm going to leave it right there. Good people, make sure you check out the links below, and I will be coming back to you tomorrow. But this one, I want you to get out, and I want more people to see this one. Leave me a comment and leave me a like. It absolutely helps the algorithm to push me out. We want to help to make your family members money so they don't ask you for any. All right. Love you guys. Live, love, laugh, and learn.